Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add a group chat feature to your Wix website. This is a fantastic way to create real-time engagement with your visitors, whether you're hosting online events, building a community, or just want to make your site more interactive. If you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. First, you'll need to head over to the Wix website and log into your Wix account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Wix dashboard. On the left side of the screen, look for the navigation menu and click on Site and Mobile App. This will trigger a drop-down selection to appear, giving you access to your website settings and options. From this drop-down, take a moment to preview the website settings that are displayed. It's important to make sure that you're working on the correct website, especially if you manage multiple sites under your account. Double-check that this is indeed the site where you want to add the group chat feature. Once you've confirmed you're on the right site, look toward the top part of your screen for the Design Site button. It's typically located beside a pen icon, making it easy to spot. Go ahead and click on it. This button will take you into the core editing environment where you can make changes to your website's design and functionality. You'll now be directed to the Wix website editor screen. This is where the magic happens. On this screen, locate the Add Apps button and click on it. The Add Apps menu will expand, revealing a comprehensive list of all the apps that are readily available for integration with your Wix site. This is Wix's app marketplace, and it's packed with tools to enhance your website. In the Add Apps menu, you'll see a search bar at the top. Type in Rumble Talk Group Chat and hit Enter. This will filter the results to show you relevant chat applications. From the results that appear, look carefully for the one that has group and private chat for online events as its description. Once you spot it, click on it to proceed. You'll now be directed to the Rumble Talk Group Chat overview page. This page contains all the essential information about the app. Take your time here and scroll down to read through the app's features and functions. It's also a good idea to check out the user reviews to see what other Wix users think about the app and review the pricing and plans to ensure it fits your needs and budget. Understanding what you're adding to your site will help you make the most of this tool. Once you've reviewed everything and you're ready to move forward, simply click on Add to Site. You'll be presented with a basic information request from Rumble Talk. This is standard procedure and ensures the app can integrate properly with your website. Once you've read and agreed to the terms, click on Agree and Add. The installation process will now begin. This might take a little while, so just be patient and let the system do its work. The app needs to properly configure itself with your Wix site, and rushing this step could cause issues. You might see a loading indicator or progress bar during this time. Once the installation has finished, you'll see the group chat added as a new element directly on your website editor. All you have to do now is position it where you want the group chat to appear on your site. You can drag it around, resize it, and place it in a spot that makes sense for your layout and user experience. And there you have it. You've successfully added a group chat feature to your Wix website, giving your visitors a new way to connect and engage with you and each other in real time. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.